The ocean became a toxic trap of crushing bone.
But terror is the greatest engine of evolution. To escape the jaw, one creature did the impossible.
Tonight, we travel to the shallow, suffocating swamp.
To witness the most desperate escape in history. The first step, the Tiktaalik.
Welcome to the late Devonian period.
375 million years ago, the river was incredibly dangerous. The strange fish possessed a flat head and one primitive lung, hiding in the extreme shallow zone to survive. The fin contained solid bone, acting almost like one wrist.
Because swimming into the deep water meant certain death.
The deep channel belonged to the ultimate river assassin. A monster measuring 10 feet in length. The Hyneria, a giant lobe-finned killerfish. Built for explosive speed and absolute violence.
The giant hunter constantly scanned the shallow bank.
The predator spotted the vulnerable target. The silence before the strike was the most terrifying sound of all. The explosive ambush.
A mouth full of razor-sharp fangs, aiming to kill. Panic gripped the primitive pioneer.
The giant fish missed by 1 single inch.
Driven by pure terror, the creature used the strong fin.
Defying gravity, lifting the body onto the dry earth.
Breathing the harsh oxygen to survive. The giant killer was trapped by the water boundary.
The first successful escape onto the land.
Millions of years passed, and the water eventually vanished entirely. The era of the giant fish ended in dust.
White assassin died when the river died.
But the walking pioneer left one permanent mark on the earth.
The primitive fin that paved the way for every land animal.
A quiet victory over the brutal ocean.
Hidden in the freezing stone of the modern Arctic.
A miracle discovered in the ice.
A grim monument
to the greatest escape in history.
We find the flat skull. We light the fire on the shore to honor the walking fish. The pioneer is gone.
The fish conquered the mud.
But evolution did not stop at the dirt.
Life took to the sky, fueled by a toxic abundance of air.
We must travel to the Carboniferous period.
The age of the giant bug, with a Hunter-Tayantuar.
Where the air was thick and the insects grew into monsters. Next time, we face the Sky Tyrant. To witness a dragonfly the size of an eagle. A beast that ruled the foggy sky with absolute terror.
Do not face the foggy sky alone. The campfire is your only sanctuary. Join the tribe.
Let the fire guide you.
The past is never truly dead. The pioneer waits patiently in the frozen rock, waiting for the next era.
I will see you in the foggy forest. Do not let the fire fade.
Secure your place at the campfire.
The sky is calling. The giant bug is awakening.
Follow the wind.